Here's how to use Notion for time blocking step by step. Begin by opening Notion and creating a new page that will hold your schedule. This gives you one dedicated place for your time blocks, so everything stays together instead of being spread across different pages. Once the page opens, give it a title that matches the schedule you want to build. Next, create the structure that will hold each time block. Click New, then choose a table database. This table becomes the main place where you will enter and manage your schedule. Each row will represent one task or activity, and each column will hold a specific detail about that entry. After the table is in place, add the properties you need for time blocking. Set up columns for task, date, start time, end time, category, and status. The task field identifies what you plan to do. Date marks the day for that block. Start time and end time define the time range. Category can separate work, study, meetings, or personal activities. Status can show whether something is planned, in progress, or completed. Make sure each property matches the type of information you want to enter, especially the date and time fields. Now start adding your time blocks. Click New and create an entry for each task or activity you want on your schedule. Fill in the task name, assign the correct date, then add the start and end times. Continue creating entries until the main parts of your day, week, or project schedule are represented in the table. If you use categories and status values consistently, the database will be easier to scan later. Once your entries are in place, create a calendar view so you can see the schedule visually. Click the plus sign next to your current view, then select Calendar. Notion will generate a calendar based on the date property in your database. If the calendar does not look right at first, check that your entries all include dates. Use the calendar view to review your time blocks across different time ranges. You can look at your schedule by day, week, or month, depending on how you want to plan. This view helps you see where blocks are grouped together, where gaps appear, and how your time is distributed over the dates you entered. As your schedule changes, return to any entry and update it. You can edit the task details, move the date, adjust the start or end time, or change the status. Keeping the database current matters because the table and calendar views both reflect those updates. Continue reviewing your schedule regularly and make changes when plans shift. This keeps your time blocks aligned with what you actually need to do and helps maintain an organized layout inside Notion. Your Notion page now contains a table database and calendar view for managing your time blocks.